how to find the App Store on Samsung Smart TV. So in general, you should be able to find this in your app section over here. And then you should technically be able to get an option like more apps or an app store, but it pretty much depends on what model of your Samsung TV. So let's say you can go ahead and go to your apps over here, and there is a more apps section. So you could either go ahead and search for that here. If you go ahead and search for that, you can go ahead and see the available apps that are included for your specific Samsung TV model, which is technically already inside of the installer itself. There's no other app store you can go ahead into. It's just pretty much direct, but if it's available, it's usually inside the app section. But again, if it's not, go ahead to your apps and you can navigate yourself somewhere around below your downloaded apps. So if you go ahead and scroll down, you should be able to see like the group content or genre over here. And if you go ahead and choose what kind of genre, you should be able to get the apps for that specific genre. So let's say you go ahead to the games over here, you'll be able to get the apps that are game related. So just go ahead and choose whichever you'd like and install the app. But that's technically one way you can get into a app store or an app installer in your smart Samsung TV. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.